Holy shit. Birds.
Damn those birds.
Oh no, avian bird flu.
I just bought a new laser cat. Do you have any ideas for a name for it?
Duh, it's obvious. You have to name it goat milk.
Splendid idea.
Why did you steal a fork?
You know damn well why. My crawfish eats forks only.
Don't you know that crawfish are allergic to forks, dumbass?
Yeah right, nice try. You just wanted the fork for yourself.
How did you know?
Your tag is showing.
What tag?
The tag that says I eat forks only.
You're wrong. The tag says, I eat sporks only.
Then why did you want my fork?
So I can stab your laser cat in the throat.
You fucking whore.
Oh shit, time for church. Let's go.